A tent looks simple, but small mistakes can ruin your night. Today, our family will set up a tent step by step. First, we need to choose the right place. A good place should be flat, dry, and safe. Do not place your tent on rocks or roots. Mom finds a better place near the trees. We also check above us for unsafe branches.
My little brother wants to open the tent bag first.
We take out the tent fabric, poles, stakes, and ropes. Mom says, check everything before you start. These stakes will hold the tent to the ground. The poles will help the tent stand tall. Next, we unfold the tent body on the grass. We pull the corners gently so the floor becomes flat. Grasping sounds of canvas fabric being pulled on grass. The door should face a useful and comfortable direction. The poles will help the tent stand tall. Dad starts with one corner of the tent. He pushes the stake into the ground at an angle. An angled stake holds better than a straight one. Mom and my sister pull the opposite corner smooth. Dad secures the second corner, but not too tightly. The tent floor should look straight, not twisted. My brother helps by bringing more stakes. Mom checks the fabric before we secure another corner. My sister helps with one stake, while Dad guides her. Now all four corners are held in place. Next, we connect the pole sections together. Mom reminds us not to force the poles. If a pole does not fit, check the direction. Soon these poles will lift the tent into shape. Dad places the first pole across the tent, diagonally. Mom places the second pole across the other side. The two poles should make a clear X shape. One pole end goes into the corner pin. Hurrah! A small, crisp metallic click is heard as the pole seats into the pin. We bend the pole slowly and keep control. Mom holds the pole, while Dad connects the end. Everyone moves slowly so the pole stays safe. Great. The tent now has its basic shape. Now we attach the tent clips to the poles. Each clip helps the tent wall stay lifted.
My sister clips the side while Mom watches.
The tent looks taller and stronger now. Dad checks the door before adding the rainfly. A smooth zipper means the tent is not twisted. If the door feels tight, adjust the corners. The main tent is ready for the rain cover. The rainfly protects the tent from rain and wind.
We find the front side before lifting it.
Everyone helps, so the cover does not fall. We place the rainfly evenly over the top.
The rainfly door must match the tent door.
My brother helps connect the first corner buckle. We walk around the tent and connect every corner. The cover should not hang too far to one side. Tighten the straps, but not too much. A smooth rainfly helps water run down easily. Next, we use ropes to make the tent stronger. These ropes are called guy lines, and they are essential for tent stability.
These ropes are called guy lines.
Pull each guy line away from the tent, not straight down. Put the stake in at an angle for strength. My sister tightens the rope until it feels firm. Strong ropes help the tent stay steady in wind. Now Dad tests the tent gently to ensure it is stable.
If one side is loose, we fix it now.
A small fix now prevents a bigger problem later.
Our family tent is now standing strong.
It looks perfect, dear.
Can we go inside now? Yeah, let's go.
Before going inside, we check around the door.
My brother moves sticks and rocks away.
Now Mom opens the door to check inside. The inside should be clean, dry, and flat. Dad feels the floor for bumps or sharp places. Now we place sleeping mats inside the tent. Sleeping mats make the ground softer and warmer. Mom puts sleeping bags on top of the mats.
We leave enough space for everyone to sleep.
Dad keeps a flashlight near the door.
At night, light helps everyone move safely.
Mom opens the vent for fresh air. Good airflow keeps the tent comfortable and prevents stuffiness.
But rain should not enter through the vent.
Everyone checks a different part of the tent.
If a tent peg is not secure, ensure it is firmly in place.
Mom checks the ropes again, ensuring all knots are secure.
A little movement is normal. Too much is not. We keep shoes outside to keep the tent clean. A clean tent feels much better at night.
Close the door when you are not using it.
After the tent is ready, camping feels easier. The children can see what our teamwork created. Remember, good tent setup starts with good ground. Check the corners, poles, rainfly, ropes, and door.
When everything is checked, the tent is ready.
Now our family can relax and enjoy the campsite.
A good setup gives everyone more time to rest.
The tent is not just fabric. It becomes our small home. In nature, small work can bring big comfort.
Look at that. Wow, it's so pretty. Beautiful sunset, isn't it?
Before night comes, prepare your light and warm clothes.
Put important things where you can find them easily.
As evening comes, the tent feels warm and safe. Inside, we check our light and sleeping space again. A good tent makes bedtime simple and peaceful. Everything is dry, clean, and ready for night. One last check is always a smart habit. Simultaneous with the narration, the subtle, realistic creaking sound of roped.
We chose the ground, built the frame, and secured everything.
Now,
Yeah.
Yuri Frau Tad. Now you know how to set up a tent.
With practice, every camping trip becomes easier and more fun.
A strong tent gives your family a safe place to rest.